Oh, we walk through the rain, soft on our skin. This quietest moment was made for only us. And though the clouds have passed, the sound still remains. Still I hear your gentle laughter.
Like a whisper you spoke, a lantern you held, like a river we drifted in silver evening. So why does time move on? Why can't days stay still? When it feels like
the heart of my world, and when I'm still, when I'm still, there's a warmth that you left here. When I'm in shadow, there's a memory you give me, an afterglow. Like coffee and rain, films through the night, and we poured the red wine by the fire's fading light. But the turning of years and the way rivers flow, days fade, soft as the fall of the snow. And when I'm still, when I'm still, there's a warmth that you left here. When I'm in shadow, there's a memory you give me, an afterglow.
what I wouldn't give for just one gentle embrace. Yeah, I'll live for the quiet, this afterglow.
So if you miss someone, you should let them know. Oh, the peace that you gave.